Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Mobility 316. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Chrysler Pacifica Touring. You can see with either key fob I can operate both the power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. I've got this brand new conversion on here. It's got the power down button, the ramp folds down, 28-inch wide ramp, 800-pound weight capacity. What I like about this conversion, A, it's brand new. B, they've separated the door from the conversion. Now, a lot of the big conversion companies, they tie them together, they make it super complicated. So if you need service, you have to take it to a mobility dealership. They're going to charge you out the backside for parts and labor. But what they've done here with our new adaptive conversion is the doors are all Chrysler products, and the ramp is a very simple winch motor. So if the ramp acts up, you know it's the ramp, which is a very simple, like $100 winch motor in there if it acts up. If the doors act up, you know it's a Chrysler problem. So they've separated it, they've kept it very simple and also very affordable. So ramp comes, the conversion comes with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on the conversion, 54 inches of headroom coming inside the van, then about 58 once you're inside the van. It's got upgraded Q-string tie downs in here. It's got this carbon fiber floor, super easy to clean up if you get a spill on it. The back seats are nice, the black leather seats, super clean. Look like they've hardly ever been set in. We've got a removable passenger seat up here. So say you're somebody and you want to be 100% independent. You could either maybe park your chair in the back and slide in between there. You have to be pretty nimble to do that. Or we could remove this seat. You could pull your power or wheelchair right up in there, transfer over to the driver's seat. Now you're not waiting on rides. Now you're not inconveniencing anybody. You go when you want to go, so it can make you 100% independent. Headliner's in great shape. We've got our rear air controls. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. And I do apologize. I'm a little hoarse today, so I'm trying to speak up as best I can. It's got your steering wheel controls. You can sync up your phone here. Got the heated seats, the heated steering wheel. All your plug-ins for your electronics, dual climate control. Got your cup holders there as well. You can also operate all the power doors from up top here at the center console. And it's also got this nice firewall over here. And what I like about this, it's a nice safety feature. If you're rolling somebody in here or your own power chair and that door's open, you're not able to roll out of the van. I've seen some bad accidents happen. I've heard about those. This firewall keeps that from happening, but you can still totally utilize that driver's side as well. So I like that feature about this van. So when you get everybody secured and you're back ready to go, hold the up button. You do have to hold them, but very simple to do. It's up in about 3 or 4 seconds. And then we shut down the doors here, and you are ready to roll. It's got tinted windows. It's got your roof rack in case you're going to do any traveling. It's got nice alloy wheels. But what I'm going to do with this van, the tires are really in pretty good shape, but someone put a couple mismatching tires on the back. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put 4 brand new tires on it. We're waiting for those to come in. They should be in today or tomorrow. But in the meantime, I wanted to get it online. I wanted to get it advertised, get this video made. But again, it's going to have 4 brand new tires on it. As I do a walk around this van, boy, it's sure a clean van. It's hard to see a dent or scratch in this van. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's perfect, but it's very clean. And I hand select every single one of our vehicles. That's the advantage of buying from me, the owner, where I'm buying from the same perspective you are. I'm not just a guy that goes up to an auction and I just get paid by the number of cars I buy. Whether it's a good car, whether it's a bad car, they still get paid the same amount. No, I'm the owner. I want a nice clean vehicle. I want something with a clean title. No bad accidents. I want something that's been well taken care of. So again, that's the advantage when you buy from somebody that's invested in each and every single van. And no matter who you buy from, make sure you get a video of this VIN number, not just a picture, a video. And why I say that, there are a whole bunch of people scamming, especially on Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist, eBay. And what they do is they advertise a van like this and they'll say $12,000, which is ridiculous. The conversion itself was astronomically more than that, but they'll advertise that they're scammers and they'll try to get you to send them money. Once you send them money, they're going to disappear off the face of the earth. But if you say to them, hey, send me a video of this VIN number right here, well, they couldn't do it because they don't even have the van. They're just taking pictures off the internet and trying to sell some sucker a van. So don't be that sucker. Demand that detailed video, right? Especially a video of that VIN number. And what we do with that VIN number, we run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles. And the Carfax shows no accidents or damage to this vehicle. They show no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title, no accidents or damage, and it's a one owner. Now, why I say that, Carfax, I don't know why they do this sometimes. Usually it'll say 1 owner, no accidents up here. And then if it's 2 owners, they'll have 2 rows here. They'll have, row here for the first owner, second row for the second owner, third row for the third owner. I don't know why they don't always pick up. I don't run Carfax. I just run Carfax reports. But so yeah, 1 owner, no accidents or damage. Carfax shows no structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer's accurate. No accidents or damage again, and no open recalls. And this van meets the specs to be in service for the powertrain warranty. Chrysler powertrain warranty meets the specs of the 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty as well. And no matter who you do business with, find them online, look at their reviews and ratings, find us on eBay, check out our reputation. 1,502 transactions. Every single one of those transactions left us positive feedback. That's 100% positive feedback. I'd say that qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure you're not getting scammed. You can see us here on Google, 4.8 out of 5 stars. I talk to people all the time. They have horror stories about how they bought a vehicle from Craigslist or Facebook from a private individual. The vehicle ended up being stolen. They had to give the vehicle back and lost all their money. They buy a vehicle they can't get a title for. Tons of horror stories. Or they end up buying from one of the dealers online that's got the 1 and 2 and 3 star reviews. They didn't bother to get on Google for 30 seconds to find them, make sure they're a legit company. So, if you want to buy from those people, you want 1 and 2 and 3 star vans, you have at it. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star customer service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years now, I look forward to working with you. Back to the van while I'm here putting this tag on the back. What I like about these side entries is they do have a lot of room here for luggage and storage space, and these seats will also collapse very easily if you decide you want to get a suitcase. Sorry, as I was saying, you can pull these seats, you can collapse these seats relatively easily. It's got the seat belt there, we have to undo the seat belt, but they'll fold down and they'll make room for luggage and things like that if you want extra storage. The side entries offer a little more room for that. So I'm going to shut this trunk back down here. And another great feature about this van, it's got the 2 keys, two fobs for the conversion. It's got the remote start, so when you've got I always lock the doors. Hit that remote start button twice. It'll beep at you. It'll fire right up. So whether you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned van in the warmer months of the year, or you want to come out to a nice air-conditioned or nice heated seats, heated steering wheel, defrosted windows, ready to go, this gives you that option. Another great feature about this van, I like the push-button start. So if the key is in your pocket or in your purse, it doesn't matter. Just get in, put your foot on the brake, push it, push the push-button start, and the van officially fires up. 23,692 miles. No check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS, none of that stuff. Got your nice touchscreen here. You got the heated driver's seat, passenger seat. Got your heated steering wheel. You've got navigation on this thing. It is fully loaded. You can sync up all your phone, your apps, everything like that. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power mirrors, windows, and locks. I'm going to show you the power windows and the mirrors moving here. Another nice thing about these vans is it's got the lane departure warning. See that little triangle right there? When around the highway, if someone's in my blind spot, that's going to turn yellow. So it helps, let you know if somebody's in your blind spot. So a lot of great safety features on this van as well. Show you that mirror over there moving up and down. We've checked also all the, I hit the right button, there we go. Also checked all the belts, hoses, steering, brakes, tires. Like I said, we're putting brand new tires on this van. Taking it on a road test, replace fluids as necessary. My point is, we're very thorough in everything we do. I hope you can tell that by our videos, but I don't just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot. I think we go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, we got the 3.6 V6 engine. Idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. So crawl underneath the van, much of the same, very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or any kind of fluid leaks. No signs of any rust, from being up north or being in a flood. No water damage. That's the number one mistake people make when they buy a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume just because it's low miles. They assume because it looks good in pictures. They automatically assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. And don't do that. What I want you to do, I want you go check out the competition. I don't care if it's a private individual. I don't care if it's another dealer. But what I want you to ask yourself, do they show you the reputation online so you know you're buying from somebody reputable? Do they show you a Carfax report? So you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents, no flood damage. If they get out on their hands and knees, and they even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage, so you can see there's no flood damage, no signs of any bent metal from an accident. So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are in showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please, please, please compare me to the competition. You know what ends up happening if you buy a vehicle you can't get a title for because it's stolen, you bought it from a private individual, or if you buy a vehicle that's got frame damage, whether from an accident or a flood, it may not pass inspection in your state. So if you buy a vehicle that won't pass inspection or you can't get a title for it, you just bought a vehicle you can't even drive. So do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this. I know they're not going to sit here and try to ask you to send $40,000, $50,000 for a vehicle, and they're not going to get out there and make you a 15-minute video. Tell them to put their heart and soul into it like I do every single one of my videos. Second, demand a Carfax reports. Yes, Carfax costs me thousands of dollars a month, but I do it because I'm buying from your perspective. I want something that's got a clean title, no major accidents. Don't settle for the cheap knockoff. They are not as thorough as the Carfax reports. Third, get online, check out who you're buying from. Do your due diligence. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. Put in your work. It's a big investment. And then finally, demand a warranty. Like I mentioned, our van still meets the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Dodge. Every single one of our vehicles comes with a warranty. We stand behind our products. We make sure of that. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. So let's get the van out for a test drive so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on a test drive, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Pacifica home. We've done our due diligence, we've made sure that it's roadworthy, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Got the cruise control set, cruise works good. And do keep in mind it does meet the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Chrysler. We do sell long-term extended warranties though that cover not only the van like a bumper-to-bumper type warranty, but they also cover the conversion. Those conversions can be kind of costly to work on, power doors and things like that. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they have a real nice price online, what they've hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the hidden fees, by the time you add up the shipping cost, that real nice price you saw online, well, it just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the hidden fees before you buy and the shipping, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. And my question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end so they can try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? I can't speak for them, but what I can speak for, that the most important thing in business is transparency. That's exactly why I'm out here making this very detailed video. And if people aren't being transparent from the get-go, there's a really good chance there's other things they're hiding. So be aware of that when you're out shopping. When I came down that ramp, I gave the van a nice hard brake. There was no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a call or text message, here's the direct direct number to my cell phone, 316-262-8267. 316-262-VANS. Now, I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you direct contact with the owner. Or do you get to call in, talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person that's that super aggressive, pushy, huge car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to see if you're ready to make a deal. See that orange light coming on? Let me know that big green truck was in my blind spot. So I got the blind spot protection on this as well. And hey, we do take trade-ins. So if you'd like to, we got from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle, call me. I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but there's a lot to cover. It's a very big purchase. And again, I try to be detailed and transparent as possible. Give us a thumbs up here on YouTube if you don't mind. That would help us out. Give us a follow if you want to see all of our upcoming inventory and the videos coming up. And if you ever do want to come in, please make sure you make that appointment with us. I know your time's valuable. We don't want to miss you. Call me, text me, make that appointment. We're happy to spend some time with you. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, and dozens of pictures, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.